Does your construction site need an efficient way for tools to be brought in while maintaining a secure point of entry? The Pegasus MAX is right for you. While turnstiles are an afterthought to other suppliers in the secured entry industry, Rizon has engineered the Pegasus MAX to be a drop-and-go, comprehensive solution to your job site's secured entry needs. Meticulously tailored and built specifically for construction sites, the Pegasus MAX houses the Helios OptiMax outdoor optical turnstile in a 10-foot high cube shipping container for an enclosed, secure point of entry. Its heavy-duty steel construction allows it to stand firm in tough weather and harsh job site conditions. The Pegasus MAX is equipped with advanced lane tracking technology to detect unauthorized entry attempts, tailgating, and lane sharing, and its superior throughput makes it ideal for high-volume sites. Standard tall barriers add an extra layer of security for climb-over attempts, and the locking brake standard means no one can push through the lane without a keycard or unauthorized credential. Facial recognition ready, it is also built for advanced biometric integration as needed. Built-in roll-up doors further secure the unit and deter unauthorized access after hours. The emergency relay allows the gates to automatically open and stay open during an emergency. With integrated NEMA enclosures to house access control equipment from third-party systems or Rizon's own workforce management solution, the Pegasus MAX is a durable option for a variety of job sites. If you're tired of juggling a dozen different systems and want to simplify your job site safety, go with Rizon. Our nationwide construction technology specialists provide on-site service and support. One hardware vendor, one software vendor, one comprehensive solution. This is Rizon.